All right, guys, Raccoon Run. What I'm going to do today is I'm just going to ride mountain bike a little bit. Then I'm going to go into a state park that's right next to the trails. I got to climb here and show you a really nice park. It's really crowded on the weekends, but today's Tuesday, so I don't really anticipate a whole lot of people. Raccoon Run kind of meanders through the woods, and then you start picking up some features that you're going to see in a little bit. I'm only going to ride about half of it. Then I'm going to head to the state park. I got to watch that route there. One time I caught a pedal and it threw me over the bars. Also have to watch the leaves that are on the trail now. We call that brown ice. Really slick. Hey, here comes our first feature. They got a little ramp here, and it throws you almost straight down. And you got to watch that tree on the right. More roots. Got a little downhill, and now you got to gas it to get up. Up over these tree roots, and we're climbing again. And we're still climbing. Now that that's over, we're going to come up on a really nice part of the trail, at least I think it is. You can tell I'm a little gassed right now, like a roller coaster. But you got to watch the roots because you don't want to smash your front wheel. Here we go. Down, lift up, down, watch the roots, pedal rotation. Did a real sharp right. Now we got to thread two trees. Right here.